Hello everyone, my name is Mustafiz and you are in MR Production Pro. So today I'm going to show you how you can run your PC smoother and fast like this. Okay. So as you can see, this PC is running okay, running fast. So to do that, you need to regularly do this kind of thing I'm going to show you now. So you need to go to start and type for run and then click on it, and as you can see here is prefetch. Okay, just click on it and you should see this file. Windows don't need this, so I'm gonna select all. You can also Control A for select all the file together, and just shift, keep pressing the shift button and delete this file. Okay, so this folder is empty now, so I'm gonna go to run again and type temp, and I already deleted those files, so this file is empty. Some files which is not necessary for Windows, so all you have to do is just delete them and go to run again, click on it and type %temp and then %. As you can see, these files also we don't need them, so you're gonna delete them. Shift, keep pressing shift and delete. Okay, so some file will not delete, so don't worry, just keep them. Okay, let's see. And one more thing we can do, we can go to all program, accessories, and then system tool, and then Bix cleanup. And because our Windows is in Windows Drive C, so you're gonna select Drive C and click OK. You're gonna wait. It's calculating the junk file. It'll take a while if you not clean regularly, but I recommend do it regularly. So as you can see, I don't need download program files, I don't need temporary internet file, even recycle bin I don't need, setup log file. You can select all of them, don't worry about it. System don't need to don't need this file to run. Okay, as you can see, I selected some of them. You can select all of them and click OK and delete. That's all you have to do, and as you can see, PC is running very fast. And if you do it regularly, your PC will be run fast and run as normal speed like this, which is very useful thing. You have to do it regularly. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.